Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to clean out the air duct for this dryer, and it should go out through the roof or out through the side vent. So stick around and let's check it out. All right, welcome to my channel. What we're going to do, since it's the new year, we're going to try and clean out the dryer vent. Some of the tools that we're going to need are a pair of pliers. That way we can unhook the retainer. And then we are going to remove that. And also we're using the Lint Wizard. Got this at Home Depot. We'll see what it's going to do. We need to have a drill. It doesn't matter if it's cordless or corded. And a shop vac to clean up our mess. And I'll be right back. We'll get started. All right, first thing we need to do is remove this retainer clip. Oh, you know what? Don't even need to have the pliers. It pops off pretty easy by hand. And look up in there. It looks pretty clean here. We're going to do both directions. We're going to do towards the dryer and then also going up towards the roof or the exit point. All right, welcome back. We got the dryer tube disconnected, and now we will put the Lint Wizard to a test. Be right back. I almost forgot one of the crucial steps. Let's unplug this, and if you have gas, make sure you shut the gas off. All right, we have that disconnected from power, and we should be good to go. This is just an electric dryer. We don't have any gas hookups. All right, we're gonna get started here. This Lint Wizard comes with about 6 other attachments, extensions I should say. All right, we're back. I have 4 of the lengths on here. And let's just start this up here. Get a little closer. And then we'll put a little power to it. Yeah, seems like a lot more is higher up. We'll add up some more extensions and continue on. Be right back. All right, we put all the extensions on. There's a total of 6 units. And that's probably going to be about 12 feet or so. You saw what those first 3 or 4 did. And let's see what this is going to do for the rest. All right, that seems to be working fairly well. Clean up here, and then we'll go towards the dryer. Thanks for staying by. All right, I've moved some of the extensions off this. Now we're going to go inside the dryer itself. All right, didn't seem like there was much there. Now what we're going to do, we're going to change attachments going from this circumference brush, and we'll get one down where the lint filter goes. All right, we're back. We're getting ready to do the lint filter cavity. What we did, we got this new brush, and we're gonna only use one extension. That should give us enough. So first of all, take out the lint filter. Look down in there. There seems to be a little bit of junk down in there. Let's see if we can rectify that. Basically what you do is insert it where the dryer lint filter goes, and you can see some of the stuff that's coming out of here. Like I said, it's not the easiest to get everything out, but you can see it does quite a lot. I would suggest just do this a few times. If you have a vacuum attachment that is that thin that can go down inside, I would use that also. Well, this concludes our video. Hopefully you like this. Make sure you subscribe, like it, ring that bell, and we'll catch you on the next time we do some periodic maintenance around the house and something that you should always take care of. All right, take care.